Hi guys, it's Cindy from Sister Saving You Cents and welcome back, Cent Savers. I'm sitting outside of Publix, y'all. We have deals. I'm talking about, I have pages of deals, okay? So we are just going to be covering some of the top deals of this week because it's too much to not do that. Like, it's a lot going on. So if you are joining us for the first time, my name is Cindy and I'm one of two sisters that runs this channel, and we teach you how to budget and save and coupon at places like Publix, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, Food Line, Harris Teeter. We are here in the South and North Carolina, so those are just some of the stores that we have that we record deals at on a weekly basis. So y'all, with that being said, y'all, it is some hot Black Friday deals out here. Don't forget that the Walmart Black Friday deals started, I think, on the 11th. So they are live and they're going to be in store in a few days. I think it's the 15th when they start in store. There have been some really great deals. I might end up tagging some on this video, but you can also see those on the Walmart deals page, or video from earlier this week. Another thing, we are still working on our Ibotta bonus. Y'all, I don't even know. I think I got like a decent, no, it wasn't decent. It was like $1. I have $1 for 10 offers this week, which is really not that great. But it's okay. We did redeem some things, and I'm still working on my pumpkin prance bonus, which is 25 for 53, and I'm 30% of the way there. So I'll probably end up finishing that. We do have some Ibotta rebates this week, but we are heavy on the Swag Bucks, Fetch Rewards, and Publix Digitals. One thing I do want to mention before we head in is that on the printable list in the description box, I've started putting PD, and that stands for Publix Digital. Okay, so just know that PD stands for Publix Digital. So that way I don't have to type that out every single time. But let's get in here. I don't want to chat too long because we got plenty of deals to talk about on a little bit of everything. So yes, I think that's all I have to tell y'all. Oh, also, if you have been tuning in, y'all, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are trying to work our way to 40,000 subscribers, and we are about to hit 38,000. So go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to give you a moment to do that, and then also give us a thumbs up so that way more people can see this video. Comment down below and let us know that you are here and where you're here from. Like I said, we are from North Carolina. Where are you tuning in from? Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and head in. Next deal, we have a great deal on the Keeblers this week. You're looking for the crusts that are buy one get one free at $3.18, so there's plenty of them, just not the larger ones. You're looking for the smaller pie crust, not the 10 inches, and you can also do the mini crust as well. Okay, so $3.18. We have $1 Ibotta rebate. You can submit that 2 times. That's going to make these $1.18 or just 59 cents each. I won't be picking any up because I've already picked up a few, but this is a fantastic deal. Great to stock up for the holidays. So let me know if you're grabbing this. Okay, y'all, so here's the next deal. This is only Dewey's Bakery Doozies. This was just on an end cap, y'all, so good luck with finding them. I suggest looking on your end caps because it's not too many. These are priced at $5.29, as you can see. We have an offer on aisle that is completely free. It'll be linked on the list, okay? So you can pick up one of these and get it for completely free this week. All right, y'all, I'm gonna pick up the doozies, just the original chocolate doozies, because I'm not a big double chocolate fan, and sometimes I like mint chocolate, but I don't know if I'm gonna want a mint chocolate cookie. So let's just give this a go and see what happens. Okay, so again, we have the Better Cracker. This is the same ones that were on sale before. These are buy one, get one free. They're $1.99. Y'all, it's really busy, so if it's loud, I'm sorry. We have $1 back on 2 on Ibotta. I'm going to submit for that. That's going to make 2 boxes 99 cents. So great deal picking it up. I would suggest picking it up for the holidays. I got the devil's food cake, the white vanilla, and the yellow are included. All right, y'all. Y'all, again with another freebie. So here's the Axe deodorant. These are priced at $5.99. Let me show you. You see that? Okay, so these are buy 2 get $4 off instantly. So we're going to pick up 2 at $5.99. That's $11.98. We're going to save that $4 instantly. Then we are going to clip the $6 off of 2 in the Publix app. This is new, so if you use the one that we talked about a couple weeks ago, this is a new one, so no worries. You're going to end up paying about $1.98 after your $4 and your $6 comes off. We're going to submit over to Swag Bucks for $3 back on 2 of the deodorants, y'all. And that's going to end up making these free and somewhere around $1 moneymaker. I'm going to have to update my math because I put the wrong amount for the swag bucks on here on the list, but it should be around $1 freebie, okay? We have the Gold Bonnie ricotta cheese on sale this week. Buy one, get one free. You're going to pick up one priced at $3.99. We have a $1 printable coupon, making this just 99 cents. So not a bad deal. Definitely a fun, easy thing to pick up that we don't really get a lot of deals on. It's nice to have some ricotta cheese sitting in the fridge when you want to make noodles or lasagna or stuffed shells. So pick it up if you need it. So we have a great deal on the International Delight Creamers, but y'all better run because these are going quickly. They're buy one, get one free for the regular 32 ounce. Ours are priced at $4.38, so pick up two. Check for a $2 off of two Publix digital coupon. Clip that. You'll end up paying $2.38 for two, or just $1.19 each. This is a fantastic deal. I'm so excited about this deal because we don't get deals on this too often. This is the Lysol disinfectant sprays. These are the air sanitizers. They're buy one, get one free at $7.99. We have a $3 Publix digital coupon. Clip that. And you can get one for just 99 cents. Or you can also print a digital coupon, which I mean, not a digital coupon, a printable coupon, y'all. This is what I printed, so I'm going to be picking up two of these using one digital and one paper, and they'll be 99 cents each. It's a great deal, so I'm picking it up. So the next deal that we have is going to be on the Old El Paso. You can do the red enchilada sauce or the green sauce. These are priced at $2.39 and they're buy one, get one free. You're picking up four of these, which is going to be $4.78. Bear with me, y'all. Like I said, it is busy up in here. So I have 75 cents back when you buy four items, Old El Paso items on Fetch. We're going to submit for that. We have two $1 Publix digital coupons, so clip both of those. And then you're going to go over to Ibotta where we have $1 back on three. Your rebate may be back on two. Once you submit for all of those items, you're going to end up paying $1.03 for all four, or just 26 cents each. This is a really, really great deal, so go on and pick it up. And your Fetch offers may vary, just FYI. Next up is the 4 6's seasonings. Now, y'all, my store only carries these two, and the only one that's attaching to the swag bucks is the Bunkhouse Campfire. It's $4.99. You're going to pick up two. They're buy one, get one free. We have $2.50 back on swag bucks, so submit that. And then we have a $1 Publix digital coupon. That's $1. It's going to make two of these $1.49 for two, or 74 cents each. So a really great deal, but just make sure you're scanning in store. Like I said, the only one attaching for me is the Bunkhouse Campfire. Okay? All right, I'll pick it on up. Okay, so we have another great deal per normal. This is on the Kinder's chili seasonings. This is actually new at my store, so it's kind of on this random cap middle section situation going on here. So these are buy one, get one free this week, y'all, and I need to show y'all that on my phone. Hold on one second. Let me pick that up. I've been recording on both devices, so there's a lot going on the phone. Okay, so here it is, buy one, get one free. You see we have a 50 cent off of two, so we're gonna pick up two for $1.79. We're gonna use that 50 cents off of two. Now, depending on when you go out and do your deals, we do have a 25 cent Ibotta that is attaching when you buy two. Well, not attaching, but you know what I'm saying. But it's expiring in 22 hours. I have it clipped, so it should last a little bit longer. But that's going to end up making two packs of these just $1.04 or 52 cents each. I'm going to be picking this up. I think this is a good deal. Plus, it's chili season, y'all. So I'm going to give it a try. Plus, I love Kinders. Okay. I hope y'all clipped this coupon when it popped up. This is on the Milton's cauliflower pizzas. There's a couple different flavors. I just grabbed the last pepperoni. It's in my cart, y'all. These are priced at $11.49. We have a coupon that is free to clip. This expires on December the 1st. I'm picking this up right now. This is a great deal. It's just one free pizza, so I hope y'all got it. All right, y'all. So the next deal that we have is on these C-Mix meatballs. These are buy one, get one free at $11.49 this week. You're just going to pick up one. So one is going to cost you $5.74. You want to check your social nature and see do you have a 50% off offer. If so, then they're going to give you 50% back, which would be $2.87, making one bag $2.87. And coming from $11.49, that's a really great deal. So go ahead and pick it up if you need it. Alrighty, so we have these Tasties. Y'all have never tried these. They're buy one, get one free at $6.99. I picked up the nacho cheese and the spinach artichoke. I don't know how I feel about these garlic cheese curds or the Italian risotto. I'm much more of a nacho cheese, spinach artichoke kind of girly. So we're going to pick up 2 at $6.99. We have 2 Publix digital coupons. We have a $2 and then we have a $1.50. Now with both of these coming off, hold on one second, it's going to be $3.49 or $1.74 each. But we're going to be picking up some things that's going to give us some overage. So that's why we're picking these up this week. And y'all, what I will say is just make sure you're on the lookout, because some of these, like the nacho cheese, both of the coupons attached to, but the spinach artichoke, only one of the coupons attached to. So I'm going to be making sure I'm looking at my items at the checkout, because I want to make sure that everything comes off correctly, and I will keep you guys posted at the end of the video. Alright, so here is the next deal. It's on the Talenti. Y'all know ice cream. We have so much ice cream. Hold on, y'all. I just dropped my papers. I gotta grab those. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to pick up 4 of the Talentis. It has to be specific flavors because of the shop cake. So it has to be the summer strawberry, vanilla fudge cookie, or the Mediterranean mint, which, let's see if I can find it, y'all, is this one right here. Now, the summer strawberry and the Mediterranean mint are priced at $5.34 in my store. Buy one, get one free. The vanilla fudge layer, or vanilla fudge cookie, is priced at $6.89. But y'all are going to do as I say and not as I do, okay? It doesn't make that big of a difference, but it kind of does in the grand scheme of things. So if you pick up 4 of the ones that are priced at $5.34, your subtotal is going to be $21.96. We have $1 off of 3 on Swag Bucks. Yours might be higher, but mine has dropped to $1 off of 3. Then I have $1.20 when I spend 10 on Fetch Rewards. I can do that a few times, so I'll get back $2.40 for buying 4. Then I have the spend $20, get a $5 reward, y'all. So I'm going to submit for that. That is already halfway tracking for me, so I know I might make it. I might get it twice. I don't know. I won't know until I submit my receipt. Then I will submit to Shopkick for 380 Shopkicks and scans on each of these, which is like around 1,500 Shopkicks. That's a total of $6.08. That's going to make this free and over a $2.50 moneymaker. Now, since I'm picking up the layers and that's going to end up being more for me, it's going to make my deal right around a $2 moneymaker. So it really just depends on what you decide to pick up. But that is what I'm going to do. This is everything that I will be picking up today. Y'all will not end up seeing the Colgate deal because that expired yesterday. But other than that, this is everything I will be grabbing. So I'm excited to share. Let's head to the register. Okay, y'all, so I'm back at the house. You know it is the next day. And I've submitted all my rebates. And y'all, I am so excited to share with you the haul. Okay, let's talk about the numbers. So first things first, there is one freebie on the list that my store did not carry, which is for these plantain chips called like Chiflies or Chifles. I don't know. But anyways, it's linked on the list. It's free. If your store carries it, go and pick it up. But my store did not, but it is an aisle rebate. So just keep that in mind. Outside of that, my store had everything that I was looking for. So let's get down to the details. As you can see, some things are still sitting on my counter, as we can see, but I'm just going to read off to you all everything that I ended up picking up. So I got 2 of the Kinder's beef stews. So let's stop there. The beef stew, some of the Kinders you need to watch out for. Some of them attach to the 50 cent off of 2 and some of them do not. Make sure you scan them in your Publix app. I'm talking about the Publix rebate, not the 25-cent rebate that you've seen in store for Ibotta. That may or may not still be working as of today. I'm not sure because I did this yesterday. So I picked up 2 of the Kinder's beef stews, the Colgate toothbrush 360. Now, yesterday I just picked up 1 with the $3. I do believe now if you want to pick up the Colgates that are $5 for 2, there might be a 3 off of 2 coupon on the manual toothbrushes potentially. So check your Publix for that, making them around $1 each potentially. Just an option, but the $3 coupon that I used yesterday is no longer available. I picked up the Colgate whitening toothpaste. Also picked up 1 with the $3 coupon, so both of those gave us a little bit of overage. I picked up 2 of the Axe deodorants. I picked up the Betty Crocker because they're on sale, buy one get one free at $1.99. Picking up those because we need those for the holidays. I picked up the Dewey's doozies. I picked up those for $5.29. They were not on sale. 2 of the Lysol air sanitizers. I used 1 printable like I showed you all and 1 digital coupon. I picked up 2 of the Tasties. I did get different flavors. I picked up the Miltons, and I picked up 4 of the Talentis, 2 of the layers because I did it different than what I told you all to do, and then 2 of the summer strawberry, which were $5.34. Whew, that's a lot, okay? So my $3 coupon came off, my $11.49 for the Miltons came off, the Axe for $6 off of 2, the $3 Lysol, the 2 Tasties, the $2 and the $1.50 came off. I had a $2 off of 10 Publix perk. Then we also had the 2 $3 come off for the Colgate, and 50 cents for the Kinders, okay? That left me to pay $25 even, y'all. Look at this beautifulness. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Okay, beautiful. So yes, that is what it ended up being. Okay, so let me show y'all this. So out of pocket, we spent that $25, as you can see. Hopefully you can see that, y'all. Can you see that? Let's hope. I don't know. Anywho, that is what we spent. So let's talk about what we got back. So we submitted for $4 back on Swagbucks. That was $1 for the Talenti when you buy 3, and then that was $3 back on 2 on the Axe. That went through just fine. It was an instant credit. I got back $1.25 on Ibotta. That was 25 cents for the Kinders, $1 for the Betty Crocker. Then I submitted to Shopkicks, where I submitted for 1,520 Shopkicks and scans, which was $6.08. That is what I received. Then I submitted to Fetch. So Fetch, I ended up getting back $12.59. I received 2 credits for the $5 when you spend 20. Remember I told you all that I was already halfway there, so I think that's why it triggered it twice. So I got back $10 there. And then I got back the $1.20 twice, and then I got back like some random change for the Betty Crockers. I had like a 15-cent redeem 1 situation for the Betty Crockers. So $12.59 is what I got back there. I got back $5.29 from Aisle. So in total, I received $29.21 cash back, making my entire haul completely free and a $4.21 moneymaker. Hands down, one of my favorite hauls to date. So if you all have any questions, don't forget to comment down below and ask away. The list will be linked in the description box. Everything is down there. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. There's so many deals this week at Publix. Make sure you keep your eyes out for the the Purex. There is a great deal on the Purex. I believe we have a Ibotta and there's a printable coupon. I think they're buy one, get one free. I could be wrong. These are the bigger ones. I'm not completely sure, but from what I was looking at, I meant to look at that deal yesterday. But I don't want to chat too long. The ending is already long enough. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.